everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export reports from QuickBooks to Excel in Classic View. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so you can quickly get your data into Excel for deeper analysis, sharing, or record keeping. First, make sure you have the specific report open that you want to export. You should be looking at the full report table in Classic View, which is the traditional layout many users are familiar with. Once your report is open on screen, focus your attention on the upper right area of the report window. You'll see a small row of icons there that control display and export options. Look for the gear icon, which is typically used for settings. Right next to it, you'll find the export button. It's easy to recognize because it looks like a page with an arrow pointing to the right. If you hover your mouse over it, you may see a tooltip indicating it's the export option, which can help confirm you're in the right place. Click that export icon. A small menu will appear with options for exporting. Choose Export to Excel. As soon as you select it, QuickBooks will prepare the file and a download will start automatically. Depending on your browser and settings, the file may appear at the bottom of your screen in your recent downloads or in your computer's default downloads folder. The file is typically in .xlsx format, ready to open in Excel. It can take a moment for the download to begin if the report is large or if you're working with a lot of data, so give it a few seconds to generate. Once the file arrives, you can open it in Excel to view the same columns and rows you saw in QuickBooks. Most formatting and values should carry over neatly. If your report includes wide columns or many fields, you might notice some columns are compressed. That's normal and can be adjusted within Excel as needed. That's all there is to it. Open the report in Classic View, find the export icon next to the gear, click it, select Export to Excel, and let the download begin. This quick workflow keeps your financial data portable and makes it easy to build charts, apply filters, or share a snapshot with your team. If you're exporting regularly, this simple routine will save you time and keep your reporting consistent across tools. That's everything for this video. Hope you found it helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more QuickBooks tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.